On this my phone right now, I am on free mode. I'm browsing for free on this my phone right now. Okay, as you can see this upper. Can you see? If you look at the up section, you see that okay, I'm in airplane mode. You show that no sim is working. Sim is there, but no data is working. Only my arc data that is working. All right, only the arc data that is working. So this is show you that they are free update, okay, where you can browse, you can do a lot of, you can WhatsApp, you can send messages for free. Yes, if you are MTN user, Glo user, any user that you are, it works for everyone. All right, so stay tuned to this channel. If you are just coming for the first time, this is Journey for Christ channel, where I share educational tips, tech tips. Here you can make money and you can get a lot of freebies. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, so let's go into this thing. I want to be fast with it. I'm browsing for free right now. Okay, just go to your Play Store. It's very easy. Go to Play Store. As I promised, we're giving you free update. Go to Play Store. All right, when you get to Play Store, okay, I've downloaded it already, so I won't read it. I'll just show you. Just type Force. Look at what I'm typing. Force Light. Can you see it? Force Light. This is 5G, 4G, 5G. That is it. Okay, I have downloaded it already. Okay, this is it. This is it. Can you see me? I've downloaded it. Just ask me to open. All right, this is it. Okay, now let's open. All right, so now I will close it now. Okay, I will close what I'm using. Let me connect to hotspot so that I can show you how to start from scratch. Okay, I've already said this one already, so let me show you how to do this from scratch. Let me connect to my other data section. Let me disconnect from the free data first. So as you can see it now, okay, I'm back to my hotspot. I'm using hotspot now. All right, so now, okay, let me show you something. By now, I install it. Okay, so I want to show you. Once you open it, just open it. Open that app. Once you open that app, okay, all right. So just look at what I'm doing, please. Click on next. Allow it. Allow location. Okay, allow it. Allow it. Allow it. Permission granted. Okay, click on next. Accept policy. Get started. All right, so let it load. Now listen, please. Put attention here. You have to pick the second option. Most of our phone are Android H positive, H plus. Okay, put on this. All right, it's work for Android. I've not seen for iPhone yet. All right, so once you pick that one, click on it. Now it will load you inside this place. Now, okay, once it load here, all right. Now this is how we test if it is working now. Okay, this is how I want to test if it is working. So this I want to test if it is working. All right, so now click on these three. Okay, can you see? Okay, it's already on enable data. So now before you do that, come here. uh Let me disable. Okay, let me go away from Wi-Fi. All right, put it on airplane mode to show if it is really working. All right, now we're going to do two things here. Click on these three dots, click on enable data connection. Click on it. Come to mobile radio power. Please come to this place, mobile radio power. Okay, on toggle this thing, toggle it up. Can you see something? You ever can you see it is working? Perfectly. It is working perfectly now. It is working perfectly. Can you see? Look at the upper one. Can you see 4G? It is working perfectly. Okay, you can confirm me. There's nothing you cannot do. You can confirm me. Go to Google. Go to your WhatsApp. Go to anything. Just type something. Uh, type something. Uh, okay, it will surely come up. It will surely come up. All right, it will surely come up. Go to your WhatsApp chat. So that is it. That is a free update for you guys to enjoy. All right, so it really work. It really work. Open your Udemy. Open anything you want to open. It will surely open up for you without using data. Okay, so maybe your data finish. Okay, you want to want to do something on your data, okay, you can quickly come, but you have to make sure you're airplane mode. All right, once you're airplane mode, it will work. All right, so if you have gained value, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if it worked for you. Please leave a comment, let others also enjoy this thing. The cost of data is alarming now. You can enjoy this one for free while you still buy some data, because you cannot go airplane mode for forever. Anytime you want to use this thing, you must be on airplane mode. See you guys in my next video.